Thukuru wa muthingi wa Emmanuel uri mwena wa KANGARI Muranga niguo cukuru uri rarutite mwana uri rari na marks cia iguru muno kaunti-ini ino. Stacy Njoki arageire marks 421 haha agatariria thiri ya kuhetuka gwake.
Thiri yakwa irari gu trust Ngai tondu niramenya nituragumirwo ni king'uki giki gia COVID-19 and most of the things matiathiaga wega, so ilikuwa tu kujikaza, kwiyumia, weterera Ngai, kurumirira maria arimu maramwira, the support of our director, asheritu ni maratu supportaga muno. Ndaneneha ngenda gutuika chief justice na koguo ndiramenya haria nginyite. I've already made a step.
Ni ndira expectaga eke wega, no ndira expectaga korwo atongoretie Muranga, na ni Ngai ndiracokeria ngatho na ngamuhoya o uguo aramuteithirie athome primary ni class 7 and 8 ni sponsor ni director wa cukuru Emmanuel.
Ona thengia wa mathomo mwaka muhituku gutharario ni murimu king'uki wa COVID-19, cukuru uyu wa Emmanuel mwena wa KANGARI no rio terebagwo ni kanitha wa Catholic ni warire mubango wa guthomithia arutwo ao kuhetukira nenda cia ukinyaniria na kuria ciana iria ciumite micii hinyiririkiire cukuru uyu no uramateithagia kuhota gutwarithia mathomo mao na mbere.
So those who scored 400 marks and above were above 18, and we thank God for that. And I'll not forget to thank our director for the Martin. He has been supporting us actually during the corona period when the schools were closed. We were continuing our classes through online, and every learner who did not make it to those who were not having the gadgets, such as the phones, they were bought for by our director. And those who could not manage to buy the bundles were also being supported by our director, and we thank him a lot for that. Actually, we had 100% attendance in that online class.
Ni wathondeketwo gikundi kiria twathomaga nakio, nitwekaga kigerio every Saturday na nitwagiaga result sheet. So ni ingiuga nitwathiaga wega, ona twi mucii no twathomaga, and no njuge kiu ni kindu kimwe kiria kira attribute na marks iria turageire.
Maumirira maya matioetwo na uhuthu ni aciari a cukuru uyu, haha makigathiriria urugamiriri wa cukuru uyu kumana na kiria maugite ni marari na wirutiri munene kuri arutwo wao.
Thukuru ni utukenetie muno tondu tutikoragwo na gwa twina ciana guku, ni twacirekereirie tondu tukoragwo twi sure ni ikuhota guthoma na ni iguperform wega na nginya mikarire ya mucino ya you know maisha mao no mega tondu ni thukuru wa kanitha utongoretio ni Father Martin, na tu appreciate uhoro ucio muno
na uria withuthanite na 360. So cukuru itu ni wikite wega muno, koguo no nyende muno kuruta wira wa gucokeria aciari aria matureheire ciana icio ngatho, na ndikicoke njokerie muno makiria director wa cukuru uyu uria ukoretwo ena uteithio munene muno kuri arimu ona kuri ciana, nginya ciana ici citu ikahota gwika wega muno makiria ikagea na marks icio ciri nacio.
Cukuru uyu wa muthingi wa Emmanuel urari na mean grade ya 390 kuria ciana 18 irari na marks 400 guthie na iguru, na wa mwisho akigia marks 360.
The COVID-19 pandemic hit me, so nikaona I take advantage kwa sababu watu wengi they are just relaxing thinking that the time will not come, so I took advantage, revised more.
Nilikuwa nasomea katika shule ya msingi ya Emmanuel. Nilipata alama 409 katika mtihani wangu wa KCPE. Nilikuwa nafanya marudio ninapopata wakati na kumuomba Mungu kila wakati. Tulipokuwa tumefunga huu msimu wa corona, nilikuwa na simu ambayo nilitumia kusoma.
Cukuru uyu tiria mbere gukorwo ukiruta ciana iria ciikite wega muno kaunti-ini ya Muranga kuona mwaka wa 2019-2020 cukuru uyu no warutite murutwo mwega muno kaunti-ini ino. Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma KANGARI Kigumo kaunti-ini ya Muranga, nie ni Kanyoro wa Wanjiru.